Friends, today I am going to teach you how to make your study area map in the software called ArcMap. I advise you, first of all, you should save your file in case of the software crash or emergency shutdown. You can name it as you like. And from this tab, from this add data tab, you can add data, and we will be preparing our map in the layout view, not in data view. You can change the data view and layout view from this side. we are going to map we are going to create our study area map in three different data frame. The first data frame will comprise the map of the entire nation. Second data frame will narrow it down, so it will comprise the smaller polygon than nation, that will be the province. And in third data frame will comprise our study area, that will be district. In this case, we will be adding three data frame. In the first data frame, we will add the map of the entire Nepal. In second data frame, we will be adding map of the province number 4, and in the third data frame we will be adding the Gorkha district. Let's begin. Go to insert and insert data frame. Similarly, another data frame. You can adjust the length and the width of the data frame simply by dragging the mouse wheel, and here add the data of entire Nepal, and in this data frame add the map of provinces. Since Nepal contains 7 provinces, we will be only needing the province number 4. So go to the properties of the respective layer, go to definition query tab, and query builder, double click the province, single click the equalize tab, next click on get unique values, and click on province number 4. Make it fill the data frame by clicking on zoom to layer, make it hollow so it look more appealing. And in third data frame add our district. This is not go to properties, and on definition query tab, double click on district and type Gorkha, make it hollow. Now you can see every data frame contains this black outline, so let's remove it and make it more aesthetic, more appealing. Click on no color, OK. Repeat the process. Go to properties, no color, now we will be needing the draw tool, and we will draw the arrow that will signify our study area. Go to customize tab, in toolbar click draw, and start drawing by here. We will be needing the line, you can zoom and you can coincide the arrow. Go to properties, change symbol and arrow at the end. Similarly, you can adjust this arrow by dragging it here. Repeat the process from the polygon of the province. Draw a line that will show our study area, that will be the Gorkha district. Go to properties and change symbol. Click apply. Now it's almost done. You can label the features. Gorkha, it comes automatically. Now add title by insert tab. Put it here. Similarly, insert the north arrow. Go to properties and change mile into kilometer, meter, whatever you like, and change the level according to your preferences. I am putting km, it's per kilometer. Now it's time to export our map. Our work is almost ready. Go to file tab, export map, and choose your destination folder. In my case it is study area, and save it.